Welcome to this technical guide on the HP14 Candelas. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your HP14 Candela's hard drive sounds dodgy, you're not alone. This issue often manifests as unusual clicking or grinding noises, which can indicate that the drive is failing. If left unattended, it could lead to data loss or complete hard drive failure, so it's crucial to address this problem promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a replacement hard drive, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure that your HP14 Candelas is powered down and unplugged. To open the device safely, place it on a soft surface and use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back cover. Be careful to keep the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Inside, locate the hard drive, which is typically secured by additional screws. These screws may be smaller, so use the appropriate screwdriver. Once you have located the faulty hard drive, gently disconnect any cables attached to it, taking note of their positions for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the cables, remove the screws holding the hard drive in place and carefully lift it out of its bay. Take your new hard drive and slide it into the same bay, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the hard drive in place and reconnect the cables as they were. Take your time and ensure that everything is connected properly to avoid issues later. Once everything is secure, place the back cover back onto the device and reinsert all the screws, making sure they are tightened appropriately but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Now, power on your HP14 Candelas and check if the new hard drive is recognized by the system. If everything seems to be in order, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your hard drive. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly back up your data and consider running a disk check periodically. This can help identify potential problems before they become serious. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.